Hey, I'm David. I've looked at 47 data product job descriptions lately, and I found something broken. Companies are hiring for the wrong skills entirely. They want SQL experts and Python developers. But 73% of their data products fail because nobody actually uses them. The problem isn't technical talent. It's that we're optimizing for the wrong thing. Here's what's happening. We've got this backwards. Companies say they can't find good data product people. But when I dig deeper, their dashboards work fine technically. The problem is strategy. They hired someone who can query databases all day but can't figure out why the dashboard shipped and died. That's a hiring problem, not a talent shortage. We've built this mythology that sounds smart. Hire someone who can code and they'll make better decisions. But I've watched it fail constantly. A PM who writes SQL doesn't automatically know why users abandoned the product. We're measuring the wrong thing. We should be hiring for discovery, stakeholder management, and the ability to diagnose why something shipped but failed to land. If you're building a data product team, start here. Can this person figure out why something didn't work? Can they talk to users, see the pattern, and rebuild it? That's the hire that moves the needle. Technical skills matter, but they're not the bottleneck. Strategy and user empathy are. That's the gap killing your data products. If this resonates, read the full analysis. I break down all 4 myths and what to actually look for when hiring. Head to the article for the complete breakdown.